My name is Heather. I am the receptionist here at the firm. Essentially, you can call me the voice since I'm the first voice that you hear when you call in. And basically, I take all the calls, I do all the calendaring for the office, I do all the saving of the documents, the mailing, and I also mail out your new client packet once we file your complaint. I have been working here for just about 2 years now.
And what do you like most about credit repair?
I think the thing that I like most about credit repair is that it's essentially kind of like a fresh start. A lot of people have inaccuracies on their credit report, and we help them clear them out so they can do what they need to do financially.
How do you think credit repair can help consumers?
Essentially, about 1 in 5 people have something incorrect on their credit report. So basically, it helps you by raising your credit score. Therefore, it kind of like a snowball effect. It raises, you're able to get car loan, mortgages, apply for credit cards. So basically, it really helps you do what you need to attain financially.
And what is the most important thing clients should know about Credit Repair Lawyers of America?
I think everyone should know that everyone here is hardworking and dedicated to helping you fix your credit.